Here is your stem. Okay, so if you've read and understood, considering it history-taking station, please begin.
Uh, Good afternoon. I am Dr. Pranith, one of the exam candidates for today. Can you please confirm your name and age for me?
Myself, Tina Green, and I'm 67 years old.
Nice to meet you, Mrs. Green. Today I am here to ask you a few questions regarding your complaint. During the history, I might note down few points. Is that okay for you?
Yes, no problem.
Okay. Thanks for confirming that, Mrs. Green. Mrs. Green, please tell me what made you come here today.
I suddenly fell down. My whole body shook for a few time, and I don't know what happened at that time. And I was brought to the emergency room with my husband.
Okay. I'm so sorry to hear that, Mrs. Green. Don't worry, I'm going to help you with that. Help you today. Mrs. Green, can you please tell me what exactly happened and when and where this happened?
Yeah, I was at my home. I was doing my work, and suddenly it started. My whole body was shaking, and I fell down. And
Oh, I
I
see.
also passed my urine. I'm so shameful to say this, but yeah, but yes.
Yes, I can understand that, Mrs. Green. Don't worry, we are here to support you here. And you mentioned that your husband saw you while you are twitching, right?
Yes.
While you're checking, right? So did he describe anything to you how it happened?
No, no, he didn't tell me. Just
Okay, no issues, Mrs. Green. And Mrs. Green, do you have any warning signs before your attack, like any chest pain or you felt any anxiousness?
no. I
Okay.
had headache.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that, Mrs. Green. So do you have any pain right now? Do you want to give
No,
any painkillers?
no, thank you.
Okay, thank you for confirming that. Mrs. Green, did you bite your tongue during your episode?
No,
Okay, you mentioned you passed urine, but you did not
yes,
bite your tongue.
no,
Okay, so did you experience any eye deviation to any particular side, or if there is any excessive blinking of eyes during the episode,
no, I don't remember. Sorry.
or if is there any lip smacking, something like that?
No.
Okay, no issues, Mr. Green. Did you have any loss of consciousness during the episode?
Yes, yes, I completely forgot. I don't know what happened for that duration of time. As soon as I woke up, I was in emergency room.
Oh, I see. That must be so stressful for you. Mrs. Green, can you please tell me, like, how do you feel exactly after you regain the consciousness? Did you feel confused or drowsy?
No, but I feel weak. I'm all right, but all my whole body, I feel weak.
Okay. Again, do you want to give any painkillers or any IV fluids for you to get back?
No, that's all right.
Okay, thank you. Mrs. Green, like immediately after the episode, are you able to speak properly?
Yes,
Okay. Do you have any such episodes before?
yes. Long back, I had 1 year ago, I had a similar
Okay.
episode.
Okay. So it is only one time in the last 1 year, or are there any few more episodes?
No, last time I had, and this is my second time.
Okay, I see. Mrs. Green, is there any particular time that is occurring, like in the daytime or in the nighttime, something like that?
No, I didn't
Or
notice.
or is there any triggering factors like loss of like when you drink alcohol, or when you don't have sleep, something like that? Is there anything that is triggering this particular thing? Did you notice something like that?
I noticed about the headache before in my first episode. Also, I thought I had headache. Now also, I felt headache, and then suddenly I fell down.
Okay, I took note of it. Mrs. Green, like, are you having any past medical conditions that you are taking medications currently?
Yes, I'm a diabetic person and also a blood pressure. I have blood pressure, and I'm taking
So,
medications for both.
okay, by any chance, do you remember any medication that you're taking for
No,
this?
no,
Okay, no issues, Mrs. Green. Do you have any allergy to any particular substance or any drugs?
no.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask you few questions. You can simply answer by yes or no type. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, uh, like, did you lose any? Do you have any unintentional weight loss
No,
or a blurring of vision,
no,
or did you experience any fever or rash, something like that before in the last 1 year?
no,
Okay. Did you have any weakness in particular any particular organ, or do you have any speech problems recently?
no. But I feel my whole body is weak a little bit after this episode.
Can you please summarize your
Okay.
history?
Okay. So thank you, Mr. Green. I have note down your history, and I will discuss my findings with my consultant and come back to you. So today I'm going to present Mrs. Green, who she is a 67 years old lady, known case of hypertension and diabetes, type 2 diabetes, uncontrolled, controlled type 2 diabetes. So she came to me with the complaint of vigorous shaking of her body. This is her second episode, and she mentioned that she passed urine while during the episode, and also she mentioned that she's having headache during the episode. Apart from, but she also complained that she lost consciousness after
Mm.
immediately after the attack, and she
Okay.
regained it back after a few minutes.
Yes. So,
So,
what is your provisional and differential
so
diagnosis?
according to this, my main diagnosis would be su- subarachnoid hemorrhage.
No, this is seizure. So,
Sorry. So my main diagnosis is
brain tumor.
seizure.
So, increased.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Mm.
And my other differentials would include subarachnoid hemorrhage, meningitis, and
Okay.
also headache.
Okay. Right. How do you plan to manage this patient?
Yes, ma'am. Initially, during the seizure episode, I will stabilize the patient, and I will shift the patient to the safer place.
Okay.
And I will position the patient on the one side, and I will carefully monitor
Which
the
side?
activities that
Right side or left side or
left
just
side,
side?
ma'am.
Okay. Then,
And I will carefully monitor the activities that she is doing during the episode. So after the episode, I will assess the airway, breathing, circulation, and disability of the patient,
yes.
and then I will start giving the high flow oxygen.
Yes.
And to prevent the further episode, I would like to give benzodiazepines to the patient, like diazepam.
Yes.
And furtherly, I would like to consider giving barbiturates like fentanyl.
Yes. How much would you give
Ma'am,
to
I
the
have to
patient?
read on the dose, ma'am.
Okay. Right. Then, alone,
Uh,
phenytoin, alone, or anything else along with this?
yes, ma'am. Along with benzodiazepines like lorazepam, diazepam.
You told me that. Anything else? Any third medication you want to add?
Uh,
Or anything you want to confirm? Okay, next.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
would be your next step?
Then I would like to do the investigations like I will order the serum electrolytes and blood glucose of the patient.
Yes,
And also I will order the calcium, magnesium, and also most importantly, I will monitor the serum prolactin levels immediately
yes.
after the episode.
Okay, and
And then I would like to consider the imaging options
yes,
like
like
CT scan, CT head of the patient, and also electroencephalogram and MRI of the patient in consultation with the neurosurgeon
okay,
and neurologist.
neuro-oncologist. All right, and then you'll discuss in MDT.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.